Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussion is heat equation, homogeneous heat equation. Let U be the unique solution of del U by del T, del square U divided by del X square, where x comma T belongs to 0 comma T and 0 comma infinity. Must remember U x comma 0 is equal to sin pi x. Please write it this condition, boundary conditions. Then which of the following are true? There exists x comma t belongs to 0 comma 1 and 0 comma infinity such that ux comma t equals to 0. There exists x comma t 0 comma t and 0 comma infinity del u by del t equals to 0. The function e to the power t ux comma t is bounded. X comma t belongs to 0 comma 1 and 0 comma infinity, and x comma t 0 comma 1 and 0 comma infinity such that ux comma t greater than 1. So friends, solution. This is homogeneous heat equations. So homogeneous heat equations ux comma t dn. This is you have to remember this formula. Okay, sin n pi x divided by l summation dn sin n pi x divided by l e to the power minus k n square pi square n square into t, where here l equals to 1 and k equals to 1. Okay, so ux comma t equals to summation dn sin nx n pi x e to the power n square pi square t, and given that ux comma 0 is equal to sin pi x, take t equals to 0 and ux comma 0 is equal to sin pi x, then it is dn sin n pi x, u equals to 1, d1 equals to 1 when n equals to 1, sorry, not u, and n does not equals to 1, then dn equals to 0. N, this must remember, this is typing mistake, this is n, because friends, given let u be unique solution del u by del t del square u divided by del x square, then ux comma 0, this is the sin pi x. Okay, I hope it is clear. And u0 t comma t and u1 comma t equals to 0 when t belongs to 0 to infinity. Now friends, from 1 ux comma t equal to sin pi x e to the power minus pi square t is solution, and option A is incorrect because e to the power minus pi square t does not equals to 0 for all 0 comma infinity, and sin pi x does not equals to 0 for all x belongs to 0 comma 1, and ux comma t does not equals to 0 for all x comma t belongs to 0 comma 1 and into 0 comma infinity. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Yeah, I can clear this concept. Now option B is incorrect. If we know del u by del t is equal to minus pi square sin pi x e to the power minus pi square t doesn't equals to 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma infinity. Option C, e to the power t ux comma t sin pi x and e to the power 1 minus pi square y. We have to check it bounded on x comma 0 comma 1 and t comma 0 comma infinity. Sin pi x is bounded 0 comma 1 and e to the power 1 minus pi square y is bounded when t belongs to 0 comma infinity, as 1 minus pi square is less than 0 and t tends to infinity, so it is 0, limit t tends to infinity. And option D is incorrect because sin pi x is equal to e to the power minus pi square y less than 1 for all x comma t, case t is equal to 0 comma 1 and 0 to 0 comma infinity, and e to the power minus pi square t less than 1 for all 0 comma infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this concept. And sin pi x less than 1 for all x belongs to 0 comma pi.